everybody, got some mail today, so we're gonna check it out, see what we got. Hopefully something good. Quite a few in here, so let's get these out. That's that. All right. All right, here we go. So we're starting off with an Inception Anthony Alford autograph. Alfredo Rodriguez Tech and Yadier Alvarez Tech. So two good looking autos there. Three good looking autos there. Next up, Corey Knebel, Donruss the Rookies autograph. Sam Hilliard, 2018, just Bowman paper auto. Sterling Marte, that's cool. Stadium Club. That looks to be on card. What year is this from? 2014. Interesting. Austin Jackson, rookie from Topps Chrome autograph. You can barely see it there. Oh, there you go, kind of. 2010. Wow. Next up, Mike Gerber autograph, Bowman Chrome. I think it's what, 16, I think. Yep. Christian Yelich, a big, thick Topps. It's a really, really thick card for just such a teeny tiny relic there. Look at that sleeve. That has been there for a minute. That's one nasty sleeve. I think I'll change that out. John Gray, Walmart Holiday Edition, with just a little bit of a pinstripe there. Josh Bell, Heritage Clubhouse Collection. It's a good looking card. That's from Heritage Minor League. Next up, we have a filler card and a Brian Anderson autograph dual patch from Diamond Kings. It's numbered to 25. Again, that's another really thick card. Some really nice patches. It's a shame that Panini put such teeny tiny relics on Diamond King stuff. That's crazy. All right. What else do we have today? Looks like some basketball. Oops. Try not to do my drop a card. Alright. Edmund Sumner autograph from Hoops. Ike Enagwu. I didn't realize these were thick stock. These contenders. Another one. And TJ Leaf. And TJ Leaf again. Prestige bonus shots. 17, 18. So those are cool. One more. Oh gosh. These are all just loose in here. Hopefully none of them are out of their case. They're a top loader. Oh, they're taped. Good. Good job, seller. A Mitchell White Woman's Bit. Well, it looks like he had them. He's got them taped together like this, I guess. Okay, great. It's going to take forever. But I can't really fault him. At least he taped them closed. What is this? 15? No, 17. Mitchell White on card Bowman's Best. And Logan Warmoth. This is the refractor version, as you can tell. Alex Fado. So that's nice. On card, here's a football, Shelton Gibson Hail Mary parallel. Not numbered though. Maybe that's one of the retail parallels. I'm trying to see if it's on card or if there's a sticker there. I think there might be a sticker there. Alberto Torrado Bowman Chrome 2017. William Rosario Impact Ink. I think there's an, I'm about to say I think there's another card in there. Fujikawa. I like these cards. I like that style, that design. I'd like to find a box of this. Sure, let me check eBay later for that. Alright, moving on. I can't stare at them forever. So, Bowman Platinum, Quentin Holmes, and Keegan Aiken. And a Chad Pender Topps Chrome. And Chris Stratton from, that's this year's Topps Gallery. This is 17 Topps Chrome. I couldn't remember. Chris Stratton again. Topps Chrome and Jordan Luplow Topps Chrome. I was trying to see if either one of these were numbered, but neither one's refractor. So anyways, a Banda autograph refractor. Boy, those refractors look sweet. Wow. Adrian Sanchez, rookie autograph. This is a nice lot. Homer Bush, that's a good one. That's on card. Topps Archives. And the hockey auto in here too. Sam Bennett. Upper Deck Full Force. Nice die cut card. You can't really see it because it's taped to the other one. Sweet. Another Topps Archives, Jose Mesa. I remember him. And last up is a Bowman Tech Brian Vilade autograph. I think I've already got one. I think I pulled one of these when I opened this product. So that's it. That's some good stuff. This last lot was a good one. I've been trying to pick up some more autograph stuff, and I've been finding some pretty sweet deals, as you can see. Well, you don't know the prices, but some pretty cool stuff. Alright, that'll do it for this mail day. I might combine another one with this video. We'll see. Or maybe I'll leave it at that, because you've already seen some great autographs. Everybody take care. I'll be back with some more cards soon. What's going on, everybody? It is a rainy, cold, miserable day. And I probably should have got down to the mailbox faster than I did, because my padded envelopes with these cards in it was just a mess. Just wet. It was really not good. So hopefully these cards are all in good shape. By the way, this is an incoming mail day, if you didn't figure that out already. First thing I want to show you was actually a Leaf Redemption that came in today. A Rashad Penny flash photography. This is numbered out of 25. I had just listened to an interview the other day saying that if you have redemptions for autographs from Rashad Penny, forget about it. He doesn't sign. So I'm a little confused by this. I guess maybe when he was a rookie he would sign, and now he doesn't sign anymore. If anybody knows anything about that, I was just curious. Either way, I guess I'm happy to have this, since if he's not signing anymore. Anyway, so that's cool. Let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, I picked up this little lot of Milos autograph to Dosic. What's this? Crown. And what is this? Oh, Status. I love this Crown die cut. It's numbered to 199. What else we got today? I think This guy had all these auctions listed individually, but I bid on a bunch of them to get combined shipping. Evan White, Bowman's Fist. That felt really thick, so I pulled it out of there thinking it was another card. Here is, I remember this lot, a little Josh Allen rookie lot. Donruss Elite Series, which I love these cards. Shaq Lawson, Immaculate, big old jersey /49. That's nice. Nicky Delmonico, this is a Panini, looks purple parallel /99 autograph. Franklin Barreto from Chronicles. Ahmed Rosario, jersey /99. What is this? Is this Immaculate? Oh no, National Treasures. Okay. I don't know if he's gonna be a big deal, but I like him. He reminds me of that little Met shortstop, Jose Reyes. Was that right? Is it right? Jose Reyes? Yeah, I think that's right. I'm tired today. I was gone like half the day yesterday, running around like crazy. And today, I'm paying the price. I'm tired. I'm sore. I'm extra stupid. So forgive me if I say something crazy. Paul Gasol, Crown Royale little jersey piece. It's funny, it looks a little bit dirty. I wouldn't think that basketball jerseys get too dirty other than, well, I don't know. I mean, I guess if you fall on the floor. I mean, it's not like baseball or football, though, where you can get a good, you know, bunch of dirt and grass on there. John Ross III, limitless /75. Brian Anderson, Panini autograph. Oh, I like this. Nick Williams, Cornerstones Reserve Materials. I like that pinstripe. Wish it was a little bit further over to the right, but you get what you get. This is numbered, though, /99. I like that. I like this, too. Eric Fetty, rated rookie from Optic, the blue version, /60. I like the back of this card, too. It looks old school. Is this Shamet? I don't. Landry Shamet. Need to watch some of his highlights. That's what I've been doing. When I can't figure out how to pronounce something nowadays, I just go watch some of their highlights. Number /99. Troy Brown Jr., Sensational Signatures from Prism. And his base rookie autograph. And another. So that's it for this mail day. I've actually got a lot of stuff on the way. I've been finding some pretty good deals lately, so I'm going to have a lot more game used and autographs for you guys to see soon. I have some more outgoing to show you too. Got all kinds of stuff going on right now. And I mentioned it before. I'm going to keep mentioning it because I want you guys to be alerted to it and not miss it. I'm going to run another contest. I think I'm just going to give away like a gift card, probably a gift code, probably eBay, because that way you can get, you know, some cards with it or whatever. So pay attention, be watching for that. I'm going to sort out the details, and then I'll make a specific, you know, single video just for that to announce it. But if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that so you'll be sure to be entered. So I'm going to quit just stumbling all over my words and wrap this up. Everybody take care. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon.